Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find advanced multi-wallet settings on Axiom Pro. So the first thing that you need to find these settings is an account. And if you want to create yourselves an account on Axiom Pro, please check out the link in the description where I will save you up for 10% on fees. So once you created yourselves an account, you will see this screen right here at Discover. Then what we're going to do right here is we select here presets to create yourselves a fee preset right here. So this is the first setting that you can do by yourselves. So decide here the slippage, priority and the bribe, or click here on auto fee and select right there the max fee, and then click here on continue, and then he will save right here the presets for your wallet account. But let's say we want to go right now to our wallet settings. Then we go right here to wallet, click here on the wheel, and then you see right here your multi-wallet buy settings. So now we can decide right here what the buy variance needs to be. We can also select right here a transaction delay mode. So you can decide the transaction delay right here in MS. And this is exactly where you can find your multi-wallet settings. So once you created for yourself the settings that you want, click here on done. And that is exactly how you can find the advanced multi-wallet settings on Axiom Pro. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.